I think it's very important to have a clear understanding of the difference between a high ticket product and a low ticket product, especially if you are just starting in your affiliate marketing business, or maybe you're interested in getting into it. So I could sit here and do this makeup video and I can squirt it on my hand, rub it on my face, and tell you all the benefits of this product. And then I could say, hey, if you're interested, go to my bio and purchase this because I'm an affiliate for Alto, right? Well, the difference of this and promoting a high ticket product is I would need thousands of clicks on this product to make a big difference in my income every month. So if I focus on a high ticket product, I only have to focus on maybe 1 to 5 sales a month to make a huge difference in my income every month. So think about that before you start, kind of picking things to promote or what area. Now, if you're a makeup artist and you love makeup and you're, willing to do, a ton of videos to get a ton of people clicking those links and you are just totally focused on that, yes, it's okay to do. It's absolutely amazing. However, just keep in mind that if you're wanting, a good amount of money real quick, go the high ticket route.